Hey, what's up, guys? Today is the 22nd, so thanks for tuning in.
That's right.
It's the Advent Calendar, KittiesMama series, where we open up things. Happy birthday, Jesus.
Yeah.
And that's right,
Whoa.
Jesus. And
right.
let's go ahead and subscribe to the channel so the next 2 days of 23 and 24 you can catch him. Not at 10 or 10 Central Time, but maybe 24 will. I hope.
We were mixed up. We meant 10 p.m.
10 p.m. is what we meant, apparently. And we have a Christmas video that's gonna be uploaded on the 26th.
Boxing Day.
In the coming week after Christmas, the birth vlog will be uploaded. So stay tuned for that. And on the 26th, Christmas.
If you
What is wrong with them?
are somehow watching day 22 and haven't seen any one of our previous videos, first of all, go watch them. Second of all, I'll explain to you exactly what this is. This is a big, huge, gigantic Advent calendar. Inside each compartment, there are five gifts for each of our parents' children. One for me, one for Emma, one for Jonah, one for Micah, and one for Luca.
Our cat did this.
I watched Micah do something. For Luca, we have the silicone teether.
That's a pineapple.
Next is this very cute box. Look at this cute box.
Micah, look, this for you. You've been wanting to do this.
He's in the way.
This is for Micah, and it's the Gululu. I have no idea what it is, but I really like the packaging.
It's a water bottle that it connects to an app, and it'll tell you how much you've drank in a day.
There's a little animal that shows up on the LCD screen, and whenever you drink water, you feed it.
Wow. Wow.
Cute stickers with it. I think so. Yep, it's cute stickers.
Wow, John.
Do not.
There's letters with it. The Gululu universe. I'm in the Dream Guardian. This is really good. This is cute. There lived a family of joyful creatures who swam and played all day long. One terrible day, a nearby planet Beza exploded. It sent a dark storm rushing toward Ima. It polluted her water and brought with it a mob of frightening monsters.
Alright. I'm assuming this one is mine because it's pink.
$2.
Wow.
That's the price.
It's the price of you. Jonah's only worth $2, everyone.
That's Jonah's self-worth.
Alright, first thing. This ZizzyBee. It's a bag.
I want one.
Easy cleanup for life's clutter. Snacks, toiletries, art supplies.
Whoa!
Toys, sports gear, diapers, wipes, definitely. Hair accessories, makeup, swimsuits, purse clutter.
Wow.
This actually looks like these look like some pretty good makeup bags. I like these. So thank you to ZizzyBee Bags for the free product.
What's that, Emma?
Color, oops. Hair color removal, so I can re-dye my hair a different color. Thank you to our parents for buying this. All right, this is from Chanteur Designs. So these are made for little girls, little children.
What are they?
So we're going to be re-gifting them to my
What is it?
4-year-old cousin.
What is it?
I want to see him.
I believe this is a little bracelet.
I don't
Wow.
think I can get close enough here.
Closed heart crystal unicorn adjustable bangle.
Then the bracelet, they're going to go bracelet.
Bracelet.
It's a necklace.
What does he say? I don't understand
He
this
said
language.
something bracelet.
Clip on, right?
Daddy finger.
I'm a singer.
He did me and now he's doing Emma.
Wow.
What about Laura's finger?
That was something else. All right. The last thing in this bag.
What is that?
So this is a gift card for the beautiful group stores, such as hair salons and beauty places that you can go to. So it's a gift card for a haircut, basically, and that's great.
Okay, this one's mine. So first, we got the bags again. I got another thing.
Oh,
of
there's a
bags.
note on it.
Jen, thank you for your interest. Let us know if you have any questions, Lisa and Tasha.
Thanks.
Okay, that's it for that. Anyway, yes, another ZizzyBee bag thing. So thanks ZizzyBee Bags for the free product, and Lisa and Tasha.
Thank you, Lisa and Tasha.
Alright, next I got this bottle of hair bleach because with the overtone stuff we we can color my hair some color if my hair was lighter. So I might do this and make my hair a different color. And my mother got me for this. So thanks, Mother. Also, I didn't say that right. She got me for this? No. She got this for me. I'm gonna turn my hair pink.
You know English good.
I don't best English. And next, we got a little Pokemon. It's a Ditto Gloom.
Wow,
And,
Pokemon.
Pokemon, yeah.
Pokemon.
And Ditto is like one of my favorite Pokemon. So,
Mickey.
this is my boy now. And I also like the way Gloom looks.
Pikachu.
This isn't
That's not
Pikachu.
Pikachu.
Thank you to parents for that one.
His name's Lumi?
His name is Gloom.
Okay.
And these are red bubble stickers. Because I have a guitar case that I need to put stickers on. So let's peep at what they are. Isabel! We got this Isabel one. That was mature content on there. This bunny one, there's good Animal Crossing characters right there. Splatoon things. Some My Hero Academia things. Splatoon thing. Animal Crossing. Again. More My Hero Academia stuff. And this is the one that just comes with it. So, thank you to our parents for these wonderful stickers.
No, I hear your bright orange bag.
Alright, so I also got some
Who's
ZizzyBee bags.
that?
They call it a locker bag, great for school
Who's
lockers.
that?
Oh, that's actually pretty cool. Look, it's a locker bag. Alright, that goes over there.
Who's that?
No, get the blue slime.
Look, it's slime,
Get
it's
the blue
slime.
slime.
Alright, blue slime!
Who's that?
Who's
Okay.
that from,
I
Noah?
think it's Guava.
This is called slow snow cone slime!
It's from Guava Toys, so they can do Guava Toys.
Thank you, Guava Toy! You can hold it.
You can hold that one. You can open another one.
Here.
I can't let him get slime on the
I
carpet.
won't let him
So
play
we've
with
got
it.
some popcorn
Who's
slime.
that?
Okay, this one smells alright. It's a lot less than the other one. Just kind of smells like.
Whoa, that smells like popcorn smell.
Oh no.
Can't see it.
No, it doesn't smell like popcorn. It smells like
It smells really good. It smells like butter.
It smells like those cookie crisp cereal things.
Yeah, you're right. Alright, so
Just play
here's
with it with me.
ice cream slime.
White cocoa.
Okay.
White cocoa.
One hand.
One finger, Micah.
This one actually looks good. Smells
Okay.
smells exactly how it looks.
What it Yum.
Doesn't it smell exactly how it looks?
I think it smells fine.
I think it smells
Ice
fine.
cream? It
but
smells like ice cream.
smells like that blueberry like fake ice cream stuff you get. Poop slime.
Man. Oh,
We want some poop slime, guys.
that feels good.
Yeah.
It smells weird, but you know, I like
smells
it
like
better
chocolate.
than
Like
it
if you
smells
had hot cocoa and you made slime smell like it, this would be what it would smell like.
I guess you're right.
Alright, next up we've got some cotton candy slime.
Oh my gosh, there's a fly in it. That's great.
Oh, yeah.
Let me see.
I thought it was a real fly there for a moment. Who? Is that what corn? I don't like corn. Is that what
Yes.
corn does?
Yes.
Ew.
Whoa.
Wow, that's
Something. Very strong. Is this turned into a slime review?
your hand doesn't. Look at your hand.
What's this? Oh! Okay. Yeah, I get it.
What
Okay,
is
so
it?
first of all, we've got the same thing Emma got.
What is
Haircut.
the thing I got?
That's
The
haircut.
beautiful group haircut gift card for
For $35.
$35. I'm gonna go get a haircut to make my hair lighter because I want to be able to make it poof more.
And you also got.
And then
Okay, I'm sorry.
I've also got a Target gift card
Whoa, what is that?
for a undisclosed amount of money.
Yeah, the lady said it was probably $5.
Probably $5. We got this for free.
Thanks, Target, for the free product.
It came free with our
Yeah,
purchase.
thanks Target for the free product. Along with our purchase of like $90 worth of goods.
It wasn't $90.
Noah. 74. You two, Guava Toys, our parents. That was
ZizzyBee Bags.
and
Chanteur for the free product. So, thank you for watching. Just comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, post on Twitter, and see you later, alligator.
bye.
These rec channels, smart videos, and click this
Ooh.
subscribe.
Woo.